everyone, welcome back. Hope everybody is doing good. Today we will learn how to make a national flag. Yes, for that we require a scale, pencil, marker, a blue sketch pen and oil pastels. To start with it, what we'll do is with the help of a scale, I'll make directly with the scale. I want you all to make it with the pencil first, okay? What we'll do is we will make two lines. Two straight lines with the help of a scale. Now on top we'll just make a circle. And to make a flag, what we'll do is we will make some wavy lines. 1, 2, 3 and one more. So we can just make more waves. That's it. The chakra in the center, we'll make it later. This is done. Now what we will do is we will make some background. First we'll make a ribbon, a thread, not a ribbon, a thread. Now to create a background, what we'll do is we'll make some background where this flag is. So I'm making just few things and some greenery around, right? And we will make some clouds also. To make some clouds, I'm just giving this effect, just an effect for the clouds. We'll add some birds. So 1 or 2 birds here, maybe 1 bird here. So just a few birds, that's it. Nothing much. So my drawing is almost complete, but you will say the flag is not complete yet. Yes. What we'll do is we will make a circle and we'll use a blue pen directly to make this circle. So we'll use a blue pen directly to make a circle freehand, and then we have to divide it into 24 parts. But yes, of course it's difficult to do that, so we'll simply divide it. We'll create a plus sign first, then we'll do it diagonally. Okay, I know there are not 24, but we'll make one line inside it. It will not be 24, but we'll just give an effect of it. So just for the effect, because if we'll add more, it will not give a beautiful effect. So we'll just leave it like this. So the drawing is done. Then what we require is we require our oil pastels. So what is the color in the national flag? I know you all know that. The first color is the saffron color. So what we'll do is we'll do the saffron color, simple colors. We'll do the saffron color, then we'll do the green color, and later on we will give the effect and we will be coloring it with neatly and nicely. We'll give some effects in the background with shading, but here what we will do is we'll just do simple colors, the saffron color and the green color. This is the green color. Very easy to make and simple to draw. So I don't want you to make these flag lines with scale. Don't do that, okay? They should be wavy. We have never seen a flag being straight like that. So we will be doing it in waves. Now what we'll do is we'll use the brown color for this pole. So we'll just add the brown color for this pole. So it's a very simple drawing, but we will give shades. We'll learn how to do shading. Okay, so for this part we'll make them brown, little muddy and dusky parts, so we'll use the mustard color and the brown color for that. I have two shades of mustard, so I'm using mustard color and the brown color. You can also use, in case you don't have this darker mustard or terracotta color, you can use a brown color. I'll show you with that also. So I'm using this mustard color, and the other one will give the shades with that. Now remember, we have taught you shading so many times, so I hope you all remember. What we have to do is we have to just overlap the other color, just overlap it, and later on we will mix it with the lighter tone. So I have overlapped it, now I'll mix it with the lighter tone. So you can see a gradation here. This is what we have to create. This gradation is important. And remove this extra thing which is there. Okay, the next one I'll show you with the shades of brown. I'm using a brown. We can use a brown and dark brown also, but I'm using brown, and I'll use this mustard color. So I broke my color. It's okay. It's perfectly okay. When we are coloring, at times we do break our colors. So it's okay. Now we have done the brown color. I'm using the mustard color here. And we will mix it with the brown color little. After overlapping, we'll just mix it little bit. That's it. Done. Now the next color which we'll do is the green color. We'll give the shades of the green color, as we have to show a lot of greenery around. So I'm taking the light green color and the dark green, medium green color. We can also take the dark green color. So I'm starting with the light green color. Do it patiently, don't be in a hurry to finish the colors, and create it very neat and tidy. And we will be coloring from the bottom. So when we are making a national flag, we are not making just a national flag, we are just creating and beautifying the background also, right? And we will be doing the green color here, and we'll be adding the darker tone. So light green and dark green, that is very important. So this depth is very important. What we can do is we can even add a darker green if you have. So just add that darker green, and it will give a very beautiful effect. Like I have a darker green, so I'm just adding a dark green color. If you don't have, you can leave it like that, or you can give the shades with the blue color, as I have already told you in my previous videos, right? Now what we will do is we will give the shades of white. Here what we'll do is we'll take the shades of white, and from the bottom side we'll give a little bit shade of light blue. So I'm using white and light blue. So what I'll do is I'll just take randomly some shades of light blue, and I will take the white color to mix it. So here I'm giving, at times when we see, what we see is the clouds are little lighter in shades. So what I'm doing is I'm giving that whiter tone here. We'll just mix it with the white color. And we'll just give a little shade of white color, and here a little bit, very little shade of blue color we'll add in the clouds. So these are white color clouds, and then we'll add a lot of blue color clouds. We'll just try and create that impact. I'll just show you. We'll add a little blue color and a lot of white color. So this is what is an impact we will create, and you will enjoy making it. side. Just add it. That's it. And it's done. Now what we'll do is, we'll use the darker color to the lighter tone. Okay, why we'll do that? Because we have already added a light tone here, so we'll not use the light tone along with it. So the next is, we will be using a dark blue color, and we will, with the dark blue color, we'll use a light blue color to give the depth and shade in it. So I'm just adding a little bit of dark blue color. I'll just show you how we'll do it. We can do a medium blue and a light blue also, but I'm just doing it here, so you'll just get a fair idea. You have to just mix it with a lighter color, so you'll get a beautiful effect. In case you overlap it, then you have to just remove the excess color from there on the bird. In case you tend to do that, what I did. Now what we'll do is, we'll just color it. Simple coloring part, nothing much. So it is a national flag in a composition is what we are creating, right? So here we'll add a little bit of more dark blue. And your complete scene is ready. Okay, so it's not necessary like when we are making a national flag, we have to just make a national flag. We can make a complete painting. So this is also known as composition. When you not just create one part, but you create a complete scene out of it. We can even add some human figures here, but right now we are making a very simple and the basic drawing, so we are not adding it. Okay, we have done this part, and what we'll do is, we'll add a lot of blue from top. That blue will give us that complete look. No need to leave any white space, please. Try, make it simple yet beautiful. Here also we can add a little bit of blue color, but it's okay, let it remain it like that. And simple ways to make a beautiful drawing. So let's all of us enjoy the spirit of independence and create this national flag with me. Very simple. I hope you all will make it. Okay, now I will just remove it and show you how it will look. I'll just remove this tape and will show you how it is looking. At times this happens. If you are using a tape, then what you have to do is remove it from the other side, and what you can do is either remove the whole area or just paste it. So what I am doing is, I'll just remove this whole area, and with the brown color I'll just create the same effect. Okay, so I'll just turn it around. Worry about it. If something of this sort happens, just color it. our beautiful national flag is ready. Hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share it with us on our Insta or Facebook page and subscribe the channel if you haven't done it till now. Share it with your family and friends, and of course leave a comment. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.